Welcome to the part of our lesson where we normally do wordfall. Of course, I don't have that option now, so I'm going to put some words that go across your screen. You're going to try to read them before they leave the screen. Keep track at home which ones you miss, and you're going to type them into the form that I upload online, and I'll bring them back to another lesson. Okay, here are some of our new words that have the schwa syllable with O-N. As I said, keep track of the ones that you missed, maybe a parent or a sibling, and that way you can type them into the form that I put online. Awesome. See you later.